Hi children, and welcome to today's activity. Today we will have fun making another card with a doggy or a puppy on it. You'll see the tongue sticking out and the ears popping in. So let's go ahead and start today's activity. Let us prepare the materials that we will need. First off, we will need a white board. Of course, we would need some colored paper. We would need a ruler, a pencil, a black marker, some paste, and a pair of scissors. Let's go ahead and start today's activity.
Let's cut a blue piece of paper 5 by 5 inches in size and a white paper as well. Make sure the white paper is double the size as this will be our card folded. Then we will cut 2 doggy ears like this, one yellow one and one orange one. Then we will cut a red strip of paper as our tongue that should be this long. Notice that it should be curved at one end. We will then cut a yellow piece of paper like this as the face of the doggy and a smaller one like this. Then we will cut 2 round circles with the white paper and then color them in with a black marker like that as eyes. Then cut an oval shape of black paper as the ears. We will now assemble them all together. Follow the steps slowly. Let us measure the red tongue onto the blue paper, where we will be cutting a slot or a hole where we will slide through the red tongue. Let's cut that piece of line. Now that it's cut, we can slide the tongue through. We will now stick the orange ears to the yellow ears and then we will slide our red tongue through. We will now bring out the yellow paper and cut a flap on the top. The flap should look like this. Now we will get the small yellow piece of paper and glue it in place like so. Then we will glue the other piece of yellow paper from its flap on the back. Paste it on the blue paper. When you flip it over, it should look like this. We will now fold the ears like so. Then we will add in our eyes and nose. There you have it. Let's flip it over and then fold the sides like this. Then we will put some paste and paste it on our whiteboard paper. There you have it. Our card is done. You can write on the inside. Let us lightly put some paste on the sides of the upper part of the face of the doggy, like so. Just to stick it in place. Now let's try to pull out the tongue and let's see what happens to the ears. Let's fold it first. Then you can pull it out. It's all done. Now let's try that one more time. Now if you don't like that white portion on the side, you can always cut that off. And that's it, we're all done. I hope you like your card.